Alright, you guys, for this next vlog, I think we'll share a couple recipes with you. Some of you have already seen this one. My veggie wraps, though I usually, well, I have not lately been adding any meat or anything to it, except maybe Spam. My favorite thing to do is add these sausages. We got a few different flavors at the store. This is smoked andouille. For one wrap, use a half a sausage. We'll slice that into fifths, or into 5 pieces. Sometimes we'll end up with 6. That's okay. 1, 2, 3. We'll just cut these right around there. There we go. 5 right there. We'll add some olive oil. Spread that around in the center. While that's cooking, I'm gonna get my wrap ready here, or my burrito, whatever you want to call this thing. Got carrots, coleslaw, broccoli. Can add a little garlic salt. It's kind of hard to see how much you're putting on, so I like to shine a light from the side. Yep. Easy now. Not too much. Okay. Pretty good. Let's give these a flip. Just do smell good when they cook. Add just another drop or 2 the oil. Oh, a few drops. That's hot. Got some ranch. I'll probably try replacing this at some point with another condiment, or maybe just some olive oil and salt and pepper. Stuff's full of seed oil. But I don't eat candy bars or drink or smoke. So I'm gonna enjoy me some of this ranch here, home style ranch, really good stuff. So that's some cheddar cheese. Look about done.
I think it depends where you're from the state. I don't know if it says road, but I don't see it. Yeah, was Nana really crying? Yeah, well, I so she don't take it.
Not the best wrap on that because I got too much stuff, or the shell was too small. Either too much stuff in the burrito or too small a shell. Makes it hard to fold the ends, but that'll work. Looks good to me. It is good.
Oh, yeah.
Very yummy.